Etsy sellers. So I get this question a lot: is how do I find like profitable digital download files to sell? Right? How do I find those SVGs that people are just looking for and they want to buy? And how do I make them and have them buy from me? Right? So I wanted to kind of give you a quick tip here. So type in the search bar, Etsy search bar, whatever, something that you're interested in making. Right? So let's say it's rainbow SVG. And let it load, let it populate all of the, the top ranked listings here, and find one that you are interested in making, right? So maybe like you can create this, but you can make it better and make it different colors and make a different design, right? Make it your own. Maybe you can have this bundle here. So this is kind of what you do. So you just click on this. So using the EverBee tool, all you do is click on this little icon here, and it'll show you the specific information about this listing. So as you see, this listing is making $129 passive revenue every single month, right? Here are their tags, here's all the information. So they're doing 68 sales per month. So yeah, this is kind of like an idea. So if I wanted to make this bundle, or maybe I already have some of these rainbow designs and I wanted to bundle them, here's good validation that, okay, people are actually buying this. They're buying rainbow SVGs. So now I can go and make my own product, put it on Etsy, and hopefully have some of the success as well. All right, well, I hope this helps with answering that question. Let me know if you have any questions, and happy selling.